Hey guys, welcome back again to this channel today. In today's video, we are going to be making a simple wrap shirt with this fabric here. I just have half yard of it. So if this is something you're interested in, please follow up this process and let's get started. So I just opened up the fabric now and I'm checking for the wrong and the right side. So I haven't gotten the wrong side now. I'm just going to use my chalk to mark it. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be folding this fabric into two equal parts, just as you see me doing. I haven't folded it into two now. This is how I have it to look like. Now I'm going to be folding it into two again to make four fold. So I just folded it into two again and we have it to be four fold. It's time for me to start cutting the neckline now. So this part that has the opening here is where I'm going to be cutting the neckline on. So to go about that, I'll go in here for the neck width by 3 inches, and for the neck depth, I'm going to cut it out with 3.5 inches. I'm cutting both the back and the front together. So I just connect it now and I'm going to use my scissors to cut it out. So for the shoulder is 16 inches. Because I've already cut out 3 inches from it, so I'm going to be marking 5 inches here, but I'll just have to add one extra stitching allowance to it. So I just mark it as now, and for the length I'm making use of, I'm going to be making use of the length 18 inches, but I'll be cutting it out with 19 inches. So I just mark it out. For the body, I'm going to be marking 10 inches all the way to the end. So I'm done marking. Now I'm going to use my scissors to cut on all these places and mark out. I'm done cutting it out, and this is how I have it to look like. For the shoulder here, I didn't cut it. You can see it's still together. So this is what we have now. The next thing is for me to just open it up, and this is how we have it to look like. You can see from the neckline to the shoulder and then to the down part. This is how we have it to look like. I just opened up the neck part now. It's time for me to take it over to the sewing machine just to turn over the neck round. So in order to do that, I'm going to be making use of this piece here to turn over the neck round. I just did that now, and this is how we have the neck to look. I've turned it all around and this is how it looks. So the next thing for me to do is for me to take this part over to the sewing machine to fold in and stitch all the way to the ending, and I will do the same thing to the other parts. I'm done folding it now. For the body part, this is how I have it to look all the way around. You can see I'm done folding it. This is the longer part and here is the shorter part. So I'm done folding it. So the next thing for me to do is for me to turn it over now to the wrong side. So this piece that I created, this rope, I just have to measure it now, and it is 20 inches for each. I created 4 of it, so I'm going to take it over to the sewing machine now. And on this ending of this shirt, I'm going to be placing one rope on each part and take it over to the sewing machine to stitch. So I've done that now, and this is it. You can see how the rope is looking. This is one part of the rope and here is the other one, and on this other side this is one part of the rope and here is the other one. So guys, this is it, and this is how the neck is looking. So opening it up now, this is how we have it to look from one ending all the way to the other ending. So I'm just going to be folding it back in. This is basically all about this video. This is the outcome. It's a simple tutorial which you can try. I hope you find this helpful. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.